Today's video is going to be experimental. I'm going to have to experiment with how I'm doing the voice, how I'm doing filming. We'll just have to see how well it works out. First of all, let's just look at the river data. Things have changed quite a bit since yesterday. Some viewers have commented that there is more water on the way that I'm indicating, and that is actually the case. The Department of Water Affairs measurements are delayed and inaccurate in a lot of places. So looking at the Gariep Dam, starting with the Gariep Dam, there's a lot more water coming into the Gariep Dam. The Caledon and the orange from Aliwal Noord is a lot of water flowing. Total inflow is 1,400 cubic meters per second from yesterday's 360, so that's a lot more. This is actually good news, as the dam is at 92%, was at 92% yesterday, and today it's at 95%. And that means that they will now, according to them, be starting up the turbines and generating hydroelectricity again at full power. That should help us with the load shedding. Van der Kloof Dam is unchanged, 100%. Inflow is still about 340, outflow is still about 380 cumecs. And Vaal Dam outlet is going up to 1,000 cumecs, and Bloemhof Dam is also today going up to 1,000. Right, what you're seeing here is the Kanoneiland Bridge. This is that center section of the Kanoneiland Bridge that gave us the good footage of the cars being able to cross the road after the local farmers have built a levee. Just an indication of what the bridge is like at normal, or not normal, but closer to normal levels. This is the levee that was so scary to drive behind. You were driving in the water about 2 feet deep. This is what it looks like now at 1,000 cubic. So it's built on solid rock bank. One interesting thing about this bridge, when this bridge was proposed by the Kanoneilanders in, I can't remember the exact date, around the 30s or 40s, government agreed to build it, but the Kanoneilanders had to pay for it. In that sense, this bridge is quite unique, because for years after it was built, the Kanoneilanders paid back the government for building the bridge up to a certain point when the payments were stopped.